Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys DIY eyelash extension. Actually, lashify inspired me. Lashify kit is $145 plus tax. I don't know how it works it. So I wanna do something like lashify style, but it's not lashify. This glue. I got it from Amazon. This one for DIY eyelash extension for sensitive eyes. I'm going to with this glue and one fake lash, scissor, tweezer. That's what I need. I will use this post-it for glue. Just a little bit. You can use any tape or some plastic for glue. So I like this one, but easy to move. And this one I will cut them for 5 pieces. And take off some clear glue here. This one is is longer than my eye size, so this part I don't need this part. So cut. Okay, and I'm using this one for 5 pieces. Okay, so put it up here. This plastic line, so I'll cut. Okay, so clean. Look, you can't see any strip here. Okay. Some ugly part you can cut. Because I cut this one because it could be hurt my skin, so I don't want to bother my eyes. So I'm going to start with this one. So this one is the with glue. Brush little glue on my eyelash. And
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I
Let them dry first. It actually takes a while. This glue is like something like more water, so dry well, and I will try to this part.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
I put all of them. This one is more dry, so I have something like this tweezer. This one should be a little more dry.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
So I did my eyelash extension. Today is next day, so I put makeup on. But I didn't eyeline yet. Just I wanna show how it looks. Like a lashify, I'm going to put more. I wanna add more lashes on the bottom. So I will show you how today.
Get you out of my mind. It's like I feel it for the first time. Been thinking about you all night. I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? For the wrong guys, they keep telling me it's alright. How could I be so blind? I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a boy who can treat me right. Short dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
So this one, lashify inspired me, so I can do just double. I can use the double lashes. So this one is looking like more mascara wearing, so pretty good. So I didn't put eyeline yet, but this one is already very dramatic. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and don't forget, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel if you're new here. Turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on my new videos. And thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Can I take you there? Like it was the first time, do you remember? Can I take you there?